What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Reins of Open Sky in Crimson Desert. Do you fancy rock climbing in Pyrol? Then you should get these gloves. The Reins of Open Sky has the increased grip buff, which allows you to climb and hang onto walls better by reducing the chances of slipping. Besides that, it gives 11 points in attack and 3 points in defense, with a level 1 critical rate boost. You'll find these climbing gloves on the Arborea Spider Cave to the northeast of Hernand. It's directly above the Hills of No Return and just southwest of the Drake's Fall Gorge label. Zoom in closer and it's between these messy entangled roads. Make your way to my X mark until you find this pit between these rocky hills in the middle of the forest. Jump to the bottom of that pit and you'll find a cave to the left. Just go in until you reach the first room. Now don't panic, it ain't a dead end. Just simply break these eggs, blocking the tunnel to the next area on the left side of the room. Normal attacks won't work, so use the turning slash by pressing the left and right mouse buttons together, and the eggs will break. The chest will then become accessible. Loot it and you've got yourself some mountain climbing gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.